G'day folks, Rod from My Water Filter here today, and what we're going to do is take a look at the new hose shower filter from Sprite. Okay, as you can see, it's the Shower Pure for softer hair and skin. It's an absolute beauty, big head, 7 stages. Alright, so we're just going to unbox it here and we're just going to have a look at it, okay? So just gently pull him apart. There we go. Okay, as you can see, she's pretty fancy, beautiful new sleek design, and obviously got the lever on the side there for the 7 settings. It's an absolute beauty, this one. And the cartridge goes in the handle there. Alright, here's our wall connector. Wall connector will connect up onto the wall first, and the hose will go on the bottom and connect up to the shower head. 1/2 inch BSP, standard Australian thread, and now been tested and certified and ready for the Australian market. Last but not least is the hose, chrome flexible hose, and we've got a couple of black washers in here just to seal the hose up. Okay, and that's it, the new Sprite shower hose, shower filter head. Enjoy.